Protein alone isn't enough for muscle growth after age 60. Many older adults experience sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, because the machinery inside muscle cells is broken. High inflammation, damaged mitochondria, and weak growth signals prevent the protein you eat from building muscle. But what if I told you that specific fruits could repair these issues? Today we're counting down 10 fruits that force your muscles to grow again after 60, revealing the science behind each one. Coming in at number 10 is watermelon. It's the richest natural source of L-citrulline, which boosts nitric oxide for better blood flow and nutrient delivery. This helps clear ammonia, a toxic brake on protein synthesis. Try 2 cups fresh before or after activity. At number 9 we have tart cherries. Their powerful anti-inflammatory anthocyanins block signals that inhibit muscle growth. They also improve sleep and growth hormone production. Just 1 tablespoon of concentrate or a cup of frozen cherries daily can significantly reduce muscle damage. Number 8 is the kiwi. It contains a unique enzyme called actinidine, which dramatically improves protein digestion and amino acid absorption. Plus, its high vitamin C content is crucial for collagen synthesis in your tendons. Eat 2 kiwis with your protein meals for best results. Next up at number 7, bananas. They are high in potassium, which supports muscle contraction and counters acidosis that promotes breakdown. A banana before or after exercise can provide a quick carb source and help activate muscle growth signals. At number 6 is the avocado. It contains avocatin B, which improves insulin sensitivity by enhancing how your mitochondria burn fat. Its healthy fats also provide sustained amino acid release. Aim for half to 1 avocado daily. Halfway through at number 5, we have the pomegranate. Its compounds convert to urolithin A in your gut, a remarkable substance that triggers the clearing of damaged mitochondria, an effect comparable to exercise. A cup of juice or arils daily is a great habit. Coming in at number 4 is papaya. It's rich in beta-cryptoxanthin, a compound strongly linked to preserved muscle mass and strength in older adults. It activates mitochondrial function and reduces breakdown signals. Enjoy 1 to 2 cups daily. Our number 3 spot goes to the goji berry. Its unique polysaccharides reduce inflammation, and it contains betaine to boost creatine synthesis. It even contains all 8 essential amino acids. 1 to 2 ounces of dried berries or powder is the recommended dose. The runner-up at number 2 is the blueberry. They contain pterostilbene, which activates genes for mitochondrial health and better blood flow. Crucially, they protect the neuromuscular junctions, which are vital for muscle control and balance. 1 to 2 cups of frozen blueberries daily is a powerful addition. And the number 1 fruit to force your muscles to grow again after 60 is the orange. Oranges are the highest in hesperidin, a flavonoid that supports mitochondrial health and, most importantly, suppresses myostatin, the protein that acts as a brake on muscle growth. Eating 2 to 3 whole oranges daily provides these benefits. As we've seen, these fruits collectively target every major mechanism of sarcopenia. It's not about replacing protein or resistance training, but complementing them. By rotating these fruits into your diet, you provide your body with the scientifically backed tools needed to unlock your muscle-building potential.